welcome back, Glam team. It's your girl Diana back with another video. Today I am doing this makeup look. If you wanna see how I got this beautiful look, how I got this lip combo, keep on watching. And if you ain't subscribed, what are you doing? Subscribe and join the team. And we are ready to shine like a diamond. Shine like a diamond. Y'all, this makeup look is everything. I tried so many new things. As you can see, if you go watch my old videos, you'll see your girl upgraded her makeup look, baby. If you want to learn new tips, keep on watching. So let's get straight into the video. To moisturize my face, I do use Palmer's coconut oil to moisturize my face. I don't use primer. I don't like primer, or it's just that I haven't found a primer that works for me. So I don't use primer. I just moisturize my face with my cocoa butter, which I already did. So next step, I brush my eyebrows because, you know, the hair be getting in the way, like, bruh, move. So I'm gonna be brushing my eyebrows in the directions that I want it to go to. And then I'm gonna outline my brow. I use a regular pencil. I got this from Dollar Tree. It's LA Colors in the color brown. That's the only one I use because I love it. So yeah, I'm gonna outline my brow. Okay, so you see how it's like a line and nothing. Do not fill in the front. When you fill in from the back. Once you get to the front, you're gonna, you know, do strokes. And then you're gonna do the same thing to the other side. So your eyebrow should be looking like this. I'm gonna be using my LA Girl Pro concealer in the color, what color? Fawn, to outline my eyebrows. It's almost done, but you know, work with what you got. So this is how your eyebrow should go, and then you're gonna blend it, of course. After you're done your eyebrows, you see how the front looks so crusty and dusty. You're gonna take your finger and just push it like this. Okay, after that, you're gonna put some concealer on your eyelid also, because we're going for that natural look. And you're gonna blend it with the same brush that you blend your eyebrows with. I'm done blending my eye. I'm gonna use my Fit Me powder and pat the powder on my eyelid so it can stay and not crease. Then I'm gonna use my Fit Me foundation. I do put my lashes last. Some people put their lashes right now, but I'm not gonna do that. Okay, you see how everything is blended in. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. concealer in the color Deep Olive and put that under my eyes. And I'm gonna take my beauty blender and blend that out. If you want a little bit lighter under your eye, I'm gonna take the neutral color and put it under just a little bit, just to give it more brightness under the eye and right here. But if you want to stay a little, you know, a little neutral, to just stay with the other concealer, like a, you know. I don't do my chin, I don't do my cheeks, I don't like that. So next I'm gonna do my contour a little higher because I want that snatch look. Just a little bit. Here also. And my nose. I'm gonna take another brush and just blend in my contour. Okay, I'm gonna take the back of my beauty blender and blend my cheeks out. You don't want to drag it too far down, because if you drag it all the way down, it's gonna look a hot mess. So no, don't do that. Okay, so with the beauty blender, you're gonna take some powder also. Same powder from Fit Me. And dip it in there, get some powder, and put under the eye. And do put some a little bit on the contour line, so the contour line won't be so harsh and people won't see it and be like, oh my god, look at her contour, like ew. I'm gonna take some mascara from Revlon and just put it on my eyelashes. You're gonna take a brown pencil. I usually do the same pencil that I use on my eyebrow. I have multiple of them, but I do use one of them to outline my lips. Lips look. I'm gonna take the NYX Butter Gloss and put it over my lips. We are going natural. Usually I do like a darkening thingy, but we're doing natural, so just put that gloss. You see the gloss. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my lashes. These are bold lashes. I did add a little purple to it, so it's gonna be, you know, a little bold. But just take any type of lashes you want and just put them on. But today I'm gonna be using a little bit bold lashes, I know, but I made them last night, so I wanted to try them. Okay, after I'm done putting the lashes, these are the lashes. I'm gonna add, look at the foundation. Oh my gosh, I got on my hair. It's okay. So I don't highlight, so I'm just gonna only highlight my nose bridge to get some, you know, some color. then after I'm done, I'm gonna spray my face with the e.l.f. setting spray. Well guys, hope you guys like the finishing look. Like I said, you don't have to add these lashes. These lashes make the look bold, but you can add any type of lashes you want, but I prefer these because they look so cute and I wanted to try them. So hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and if you like more videos, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye guys.